Hello friends, my name is Deepak Suryawanshi and I welcome you all to the Agile Project Management Development Process session. During this session, we will cover the following topics: Agile Project Management and its methodology, the purpose of sprint planning, Agile values and principles. Agile is an iterative approach and refers to a various development process. Agile is a framework and emphasizing on collaboration, flexibility, continuous improvement, and high quality result. Agile project management enables teams in software development to work quickly, efficiently, and collaboratively on a project. It focuses on working in a small batches, visualize processes, and collaborating with end user to gain feedback. Continuous iterations or short cycles is also help us to get the confidence and feedback gets implemented within each iterations. There are few people are involved for efficiently and collaboratively to work on a product. Product owners, development team, Scrum Master are the peoples who are involved. For a product or any enhancement within a project, product owner has to define a product backlog items, which we called as a PBIs. PBI are nothing but list of works for the development team that derive from the requirements given by the client. PBI includes user stories, epics, bugs, or change requirements. And in this, most relevant and important task or stories shown on the top of the PBIs. In most cases, product owner hold the responsibility for the organizing and maintaining the product backlog. Once PBIs are defined, product owner sits with all team members, front-end, back-end developers, QA, etc. and define the efforts and estimates or define points to the story or task. Product owner evaluate the process while doing a planning, sprint planning, daily scrum meeting and artifacts updates, sprint review and sprint retrospective. Let's talk about each process in details. Sprint planning. Sprint planning is an event that defines what can be delivered in the upcoming sprint and how that works to be achieved. As I said, the most important task or story shown on the top which has to be taken as a priority. Sprint planning is done in collaboration with the whole Scrum team. Now, you all may have a question. What is the purpose of the sprint planning, right? Sprint planning sets up the entire team for success throughout the sprint. Coming into the Scrum meeting, the product owner will have a set priority to the product backlog. Development team, Scrum Master and product owner or a project manager discuss each item and the group collectively estimate the efforts involved. Once the sprint defined, then daily meeting and artifacts updates to be done. Daily Scrum meeting and artifact updates. A daily Scrum is meant to discuss and communicate the status of sprint backlog items within the development team. Scrum Master take updates and record the status. If any team member requires any functional or technical understanding or blocked by something, then that has to be communicated within team. The daily Scrum is a 15-minute Scrum meeting held on each day of a sprint. This denotes team to inspect and adapt its progress. Now your development is going as per your scheduled timelines. Daily updates and trackers should maintain and monitor. Once your 2-week sprint is over, sprint review has to be done and retrospective to be evaluated for better approach for next sprint planning. Sprint review. Sprint review meeting is a formal meeting held at end of sprint, during which team shows a completed task as per the requirement or a story. It is increment for existing project and gives vision and feedback on release increment. Sprint retrospective identify areas where you can improve and has a key role in agile methodology. What went well during the sprint? What could have been better? Was the task too heavy or too light for each member? What was accomplished during the sprint? Agile has four main values to help clarify that APM, Agile Project Management, is collaborative and people-oriented. Individual and interactions over process and tools, working software over comprehensive documentations, collaboration with customer, client and stakeholders, and welcome change. Let's discuss each of them in detail. Individual and interaction over process and tools. This emphasizes the importance of people working together effectively. It means that the skills, creativity and communication of the team member are crucial to success. Collaborations and personal interactions are valued because they lead to better understanding, faster problem solving and more innovative solutions. Process and tools, these are the formal methods, steps and instruments used to complete tasks. While they are important, they are considered less critical than the human aspects of a teamwork. Successful projects rely more on the people involved and their interactions than on rigid adherence to procedure or reliance on specific tools. Second, working software over comprehensive documentations. This emphasizes the importance of having a functional product that meets user needs. It means delivering a software that works and provides values, which is the ultimate goal of any development project. Whereas comprehensive documentations refers to detailed written information about the software such as BRD, SRS, FRD, design specifications, and user manuals. While documentation can be helpful, it is considered less critical in comparisons to having actual working software. It means that producing functional software is more valuable than creating extensive documentations, as the software itself is what provides direct value to the user. Third is collaborations with customer, client and stakeholders. This emphasizes the importance of working closely with customer, client and stakeholder throughout the development process. It means engaging with them regularly, understanding their needs, receiving their feedback and making adjustments based on their inputs. This collaborative approach ensures that the final product aligns with their expectations and requirements. However, contract negotiations is to the traditional approach where the details of the project are agreed upon upfront in a contract, which outline all specification timelines and deliverables. While contracts are important for setting expectations, they can sometimes limit flexible and responsive to the change. This whole means that effective and ongoing communication with the customer is more valuable and should be strict adherence to predefined contracts, as this leads to better outcome and greater satisfactions for all parties involved. Last one, welcome changes, which is most important due respect to project development. It means welcoming and accommodating changes in requirements, feedback and market conditions, even if they occurs late in the project. This adaptability helps ensure the final product remain relevant and valuable to the user. The 12 principles of Agile provide a foundation for Agile methodology and practices. These principles guide teams in developing software more effectively and efficiently. Here's a simplified explanation of each principle. Customer satisfaction. Deliver working software frequently to ensure customers see values early and oftenly. Continuous or frequent delivery of this software is the highest priority. Release software in short cycles to get feedback and make improvement quickly. Software changes throughout development process. Embrace changes to requirements as they can enhance the product and better meet customers' needs. Collaboration between software development and stakeholders. Ensure ongoing collaborations between stakeholders and the development team to align on goals and expectations. Trust and motivate people. Empower team members, provide necessary resources, and trust them to deliver quality work. Self-organizing team. Allow teams to organize themselves and make decisions to foster creativity and ownership. Regular intervals and rectifications for more effectiveness. Continuously improve processes and practices through regular reflections and adaptations. Focusing on simplicity in design. Keep things as simple as possible to reduce complexity and increase efficiency. Working software is the primary measure of the project. Evaluate progress based on the delivery of a functional software, not just on document or plans. Constant development pace. Aim for a steady, manageable workload that can be sustained over the long term without burnout. Interactions or conversations within team. Promote direct communications to avoid misunderstanding and speed up decision makings. Ensure attention of the software quality. Focus on high quality code and design to facilitate easier changes and improvement. Agile project management is a methodology that promotes a flexible, collaborative, and customer-focused approach to project delivery. By adhering to Agile principles and values, APM helps teams deliver high-quality product efficiently and adapt to changes effectively, ultimately ensuring better alignment with customer needs and market demand. In next session, we will cover various types of Agiles. Each of these Agile methodology offers unique practices and benefits, and organizations often choose the one that best fit for their specific need, culture, and project management. Some of Agile types are Scrum, Kanban, Lean, Extreme Programming, Crystal, DSDM that we call as Dynamic System Development Methods, FDD, Feature Driven Development, and SAFe, Scaled Agile Frameworks. Stay tuned to my channel for the best practices and updates. Your support means a lot. Thank you.